So thank you very much. So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I would like to thank you for your time and availability for this presentation. I'm pleased to be with you today to share some insights about a mobile payment program launched in Morocco. Before going to the presentation, I would like to give you a quick I would say introduction of myself. So my name is Hisham Yousfi. I'm the technical director of HPS Dubai office. So the objective of my presentation is to share with you the main key drivers of this national program. The second is what are the main challenges addressed by this program. And last, how this program is being implemented and deployed in Morocco. So for the main key drivers for this project, there are mainly three. So the first one is the cash payment trends in Morocco. The second one is the Moroccan population penetration for the mobile devices, and the last is the international trends for the mobile payments. So some statistics about Morocco is for the cash payment. So today, the 40% of Moroccans today are unbanked. 99% of the transactions are still cash-based. The 1% remaining is either check payments or card payment transactions. And for the check payments, we are talking about 75% of checks today are used only to withdraw cash, to be used for payment at a later stage. The same 86% of card transactions is also, today Moroccans, they go to the ATM, withdraw cash to perform payment. 40% of this cash payment is for peer-to-peer as well as P2B cash payments, which gives an average transaction of $3.5 transaction. This shows, we'll say, that the Moroccan society is a cash-driven society, and also with this $3.5 per transaction, a huge number of transactions today are for cash payments. The Moroccan, the penetration to the mobile devices today, so the population in Morocco is 36 million, and 43 million are mobile subscribers. 67% are today having access to smartphones. This percentage is increasing rapidly, and it can reach by this program to 80 or 90% within the next coming years. When it comes to the international trend, so today the mobile payment, it's by the main international organization like the GSMA and AIT, which is an international consulting firm. So today, mobile payment, it's taking, I would say, a very important percentage when it comes to payments to provide faster payments, interoperable payments between bank members locally and internationally for cross-border payments, conversational payments, social payments. So many social media today, they are offering payments like WeChat and WhatsApp recently in India. Point of sale payments using mobile POS payment, and the payment when it comes to bill payments and cash disbursement using mobile. So these three main drivers today allow for this national program to move towards an electronic payment society. So the main challenges to be addressed by this program is, of course, to reduce the cost of cash. Today, to maintain the cash It requires, I would say, a significant amount for the cash replenishments within the ATMs and branches, decrease the number of unbanked people. So this program, one of the main objectives is to have access to this unbanked population. Fight against the economic inefficiency is that today, with this program, we believe that it will give access to a clean information, to a clean data for the customer payment trends, and will allow the Moroccan government to plan and forecast based on the population cash payment usage. Optimize social benefits disruption. So today, the Moroccan government is dispensing social benefits to the population. And with this program, we need to make sure that this social benefits goes to the right person and used also properly. Value proposition for customers, merchants. With this program, we can add to it added value services like loyalty programs, insurance programs for low income customers. And of course, the last is to decrease the risk of carrying cash. So what is the idea behind this program is that today, when I am performing a payment to a merchant or to another person, today I give the cash. So this cash is received instantly by the merchant. And at the same time, he is notified instantly, and he can use that cash immediately. So the idea behind the program is to come with a similar experience. So today, when I will perform a mobile payment, it could be a transfer, it could be a payment. So the other peer, he will be able to use that cash instantly, and he will be instantly notified. For both non-banked customer and bank customer. So for non-bank customer, can offer a stored value account, an SVA account, or for bank customers, it can be linked to his CASA account or credit card or other payment means. And this will help all the ecosystem actors, individuals, merchants, business, governments, and others. This is the use case that we have launched today in Morocco. So this program is sponsored by the Central Bank of Morocco, as well as the telecom regulator in Morocco is called ANRT. HPS is a very important player, since HPS today is driving and operating the national switch of Morocco, as well as providing the software solution to the national switch. So today we have launched 3 products. So the first product is silver, 200 Moroccan dirham. It does not require any eKYC, while the gold and the platinum, it's for 5,000 dirham for the gold and 20,000 dirham for the platinum. The gold, it requires minimum eKYC to provide the national ID of Morocco. The platinum is the national ID plus proof of address. And all this enrollment process is today done digitally by scanning all these documents. And today the program is launched for P2P, money transfer, for payments with merchants, bill payment services, to provide social benefits. And one of the main contributors to the program is the FMCGs, for fast-moving consumer goods. She's an important player in this program. And today we have 3 big banks in Morocco that they are already part of the program, and the 4th one is coming very soon. So the current process for the FMCG payment, because the whole program is how to embrace the merchant commitment and ensure that the electronic payment is through the whole chain, because no benefit if today a consumer pay a merchant electronically, and the merchant, he will cash out that money and use it somewhere else. So it's not a success for the program. The purpose of the program is to have the whole chain using this program to make sure that the money ends up with in the bank premises. So, and with this program, it will also make the reconciliation process between the FMCG suppliers and the businesses easier. So today you can imagine if an FMCG suppliers providing the goods to the merchant, at the end of the day they have to go to the main factory to do the reconciliation. That process today will be enhanced with this program. So this is what is provided today to the consumer and to the FMCGs. So it's a mobile application with all the goods details and references, and it can payments can be performed from the consumer account to the merchant account, and from the merchant account to the FMCG account, and the funds will end up in the bank accounts. The solution is provided for both contact-based payments. So from the right side is contact-based, where I can perform a payment by transferring funds from my wallet to the merchant wallet, or it's QR-based, static or dynamic QR transaction-based. So as I have mentioned, so today the national switch today is operated by HPS switch to ensure the interoperability between all the bank members of this program. So when the funds moves from one bank to another bank, so the national switch, which is HPS switch today, is ensuring this instant transfer of the funds, as well as the reconciliation and settlement. So the expected benefits of this program for all the ecosystem actors is, from the consumer perspective, is to offer the service convenience, and the service today, it's offered free of charge. Very important is that today the cash-in is offered free of charge, while the cash-out, a fee will be applied for to encourage the usage of the mobile for the payments. So the cash-out is today chargeable. Of course, for the government to modernize the payment infrastructure and make it as well simple. And very important is to have access to the data information on and what is the payment trends for the Moroccans, as well as the customer segmentations and customizing the products by customer profiles. For the merchant is to provide a secure payment and increase the payment usage, and of course for the bank is to increase the business income and optimize the payment processes. That was my presentation.